Everyone.
Good afternoon.
I choose 5 multicultural communities. There are some Maori community, Hindu community, Scottish community, Fiji Indian and Muslim. I will start from Muslim community. Muslim communities follow Islam. Their core belief in oneness of God. Muslims believe that God is the creator of all things and that God is all powerful and all knowing. God has no offspring, no race, no gender, no body, and is unaffected by the characteristics of human life. Values. In particular, helping people in their time of need, forgiving others, respecting parents and elders, fulfilling promises, being kind to people and to animals, being patient and adversity, maintaining justice, being honest, and controlling one's anger. Assalamu alaikum is Muslim greeting, means peace upon you. Muslims eat only halal food. By Islamic law, all foods are considered halal, slaughtered in the name of anyone but Allah. And the second community is Fiji Indian community. Fijians in New Zealand, as in Fiji, consist of different ethnic groups. Between 1879 and 1916, about 60,000 Indian were hired to work in Fiji sugar industry. It also underlies between different political and economic causes of migration. Fiji Indian greetings is Kaise. How are you? The usual reply is Theek, fine. In parting, it's common to say Fir milenge, will meet again. More formal greetings are Namaste for Hindus, Assalamu alaikum for Muslims. They reply later, Alaikum Salam. Fiji Indian festivals. September, Lautako Sugar Festival, hosted in Lautako in sugar capital of Fiji. Fun event celebration with food activities. Diwali in October, Festival of Light. Bula Festival is in Nadi around July or August. Bula means welcome. It offers spectacular carnival in the form of floats, music and dancing. And the third community is Hindu community. Hindu community follows Sanatana Dharma. Hinduism is the third largest religion and one oldest major religion. Hindu values greetings. They include Asteya, non-stealing, Satya, truthfulness, Arjava, honesty, and Daya, compassion. The first Yama, however, is Ahimsa, non-violence, and it is the core Indian moral of non-violence that serves as the foundation on which all others, Hindu Yama, are built. Namaste is the Sanskrit word and the common expression of greetings in Hinduism. Namaste literally means I bow to you. This expression is accompanied by the gesture of joining 2 palms like this. Together, places them to heart level like this, and bowing once, head wide, saying Namaste. Hindu festivals are Diwali is the festival of light, Holi is the festival of colors, throwing on each other's. Rakhi is the festival of brotherhood. We will tie down. They will have sister and brothers promises, so they'll take care of them. How many are done? Maori, a Scottish, and Maoris. Maori migrated deliberately at different times in different homes. First arriving in New Zealand at late 10th century, the Maori people migrated from Polynesia in a great fleet and took New Zealand. From the Maori Ori, establishing an agricultural society. The first people to arrive in New Zealand were ancestors of Maori. The first settler probably arrived from Polynesian between 1200 and 13 AD. They discovered New Zealand as they explored the Pacific, navigating by the ocean, current, winds, and stars. The traditional Maori greetings, the hongi, is performed by two people pressing their nose together. Some include at the same time touching foreheads. The greeting is used traditionally meeting among Maori people. One more left.
Yes. Yep, the Scottish.
Scotland communities. The first Scottish is set foot in New Zealand where crew on explorer James Cook's ship Endure in 1769. Over next 200 years, the migrant brought with them trade and skills, ideas and beliefs, and about all the desire for the better life. They established community that were strongly Scottish in character and eventually settled right across the country. Scotland is home to more than 200 festivals every year. But communities celebrate few of them like St. Andrew, Burns Night, 25th January. That's all. And there are some strategies. Multicultural community practice intergroup development. Knowledge, wisdom, and understanding out to be shared for the benefit of the whole group. Multicultural communities should work together to break down cultural differences, language, barriers, and respect each other. All done.